Touch gloves if you want to. Go in your corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, main event time. It all comes down to this. Real World 7. Kaim Abbas, the referee, the medic against Pretty Boy Flaco. Lahore versus Islamabad. And straight away medic with the shot. And he gets the takedown, does he? Almost got it. Beautiful takedown defense though. Good defense.
Medic is being relentless with the takedown.
He's being relentless,
he might get it.
but this is some good wrestling defense here from Pretty Boy.
Defending well, he's defending very, very well. He's not.
It would be better if Samir switches from a double leg to a single leg. That's something that Islamabad does really well. There we go. First takedown of the night for Samir Mahmood, the champion, the defending champion. Oh, look at that though, triangle. Does he have it in?
Oh, but he gets out of the triangle. It's in full guard now. Look at the crowd in silence.
Medic would want to break the full guard, posture up and land some ground and pound. Ooh. Half guard now. He's doing a good job and he gets up. Wow. Oh! He takes it back, does he?
Let the hands go.
There he gets him down again. Shayan looking at his corner for advice. Haider Sati in his corner from Team Fight Fortress.
Both
Yeah, I mean, you got Omar Ahmed, president of Pak MMA Federation in his corner. You got Abdul Moiz Irfan, you got Aroz Beg, you got Young Sinatra in the corner.
Haider Sati,
Control time just adding up for the champion here.
Shayan's defending well. You can see it. He's not taking shots.
Yeah, he's done a decent job here. He's done a good job. I mean, every single one of Medic's opponents have crumbled when Medic has took them down. But Shayan has held his own here. He's done really well so far. Yep. He's doing a good job. You can definitely tell he came and did his homework. You can tell he wants the belt. Both of these fighters want it badly. Omar Ahmed just urging Samir to maintain his position at the top and end this round dominantly.
I think he's going to let the round go.
There we go.
Ready?
Second round underway. The touch glove.
This championship main event. Samir Mahmood.
Both of them are southpaws. I don't think Medic has ever faced a southpaw, right?
Yeah, I think this has definitely been classified and advertised as Medic's toughest challenge, other than the Moiz Ali Khan fight, which is his only loss. Good inside low kicks from Medic, mixes it up with the body kick as well, mixing up the attacks in the striking department. Good cross, Samir, beautiful timing on the takedown. Beautiful timing on the takedown. And Samir Mahmood. Oh, I mean, Pretty Boy might be looking for a triangle here again. He might have got it, you know. He's in a good position here, Pretty Boy. But no, Medic escapes. It always has been Asib, that's his strong point. He is a wrestler. The only fight he lost was a kickboxing fight. I believe if that was a mixed martial arts setting, Medic would have taken that one as well.
So far, but Medic's dominating right now.
Control time just adding up for Samir Mahmood. This is exactly what he needs to do.
That's exactly what he said he would do. And build up the fight.
Exactly.
He said he would do that, and he's doing exactly what he said. Respect to both the fighters. Shayan is in Medic's corner right now. The corner talk plays with the head a lot too.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's so loud in here in this arena. I don't even know if Shayan can hear his own corner. Medic for sure can because he's right in front of them. Short right hand landed. Medic now letting his hands go here. Pretty Boy trying to use the cage to try and get up. Yeah, you can't interlock your fingers into the cage.
I think this round can go if it stays here. I think the round's going to end anytime soon. These are good submission attempts.
Well, I mean, Pretty Boy is trying for that triangle, but Samir's head is just too far away.
It's the third time he's tried for the triangle.
But Samir's head is too far away and he gets out of it again. Final 10 seconds of the round. More of the same from Samir Mahmood.
Left punch, right punch.
And his corner is pleased with that.
And round ends.
2 rounds down in this championship main event, and Pretty Boy has had no answer for the resting of Medics. Third and final round about to start. Both fighters embrace.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Third and final round of this championship main event. What a night it's been. And Pretty Boy,
Pretty Boy is going for the takedown.
yeah, he initiates the clinch. Very interesting. We've seen very few striking exchanges in this fight. Both fighters eager to wrestle.
Oh! We've got Medic's got a crazy crowd support. Fan favorite, I guess. Medic's talking to him. Medic's talking to him. Medic's talking to him.
A little bit of mind games there, Aseeb.
Those are very important in the fight. You know? Playing with your opponent's mind. Talking to him.
I think the fighters from Multan are a master of that technique, aren't they?
Yeah, we are.
The trash talking during fights, before the fight, build up. I think that plays a massive part, you know.
The mental game before the fight.
And Shayan Pretty Boy has played that game.
He gets reversed in the clinch.
He's been posting stories all day about Medic and how he's going to whoop him. He hasn't done that so far. Third takedown from Medic. He's looking to put a stamp on this fight now.
Shayan keeps looking for the triangle.
I think the triangle is really difficult because Samir has his head really far across his legs.
And the shin guards also play a major role.
Yeah. The shin guards make it just harder. I think we've never seen a triangle choke finish in real world history. I think we've never seen that submission in real world. Because the shin pads make it extremely hard to see. You raised a really good point there.
Excessive cornering.
There's a lot of war going in between the crowds.
Yeah,
too.
in the crowd.
Yeah.
Lahore versus Khamba going on in the crowd.
It's 1-1. If Shayan loses this fight, it's 1-1. Lahore versus.
Oh, big shot!
Big shot on the ground. Big shot on the ground.
Now Medic's looking to let the hands go. Just a little bit of time left here. Samir Mahmood.
I think this fight's wrapped up and Samir has it now.
Unless Pretty Boy picks out a rabbit from the hat. He needs a miracle right now.
He needs a miracle. Like Leon Edwards.
Oh, but does he have the triangle now?
No, he does not. That's not right. Oh!
Oh, but Pretty Boy is he's looking to get on top here. Pretty Boy almost got up to his feet, but Medic drags him down again.
Unanimous decision point for Medic.
It's a suffocating style of wrestling.
Good from Shayan. He has no respect.
He's done well. He's definitely earned respect from the people. Final 10 seconds of this main event. The only fight.
37-30.